Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and today I'm making a pork chop dinner in the crock pot. Okay, so I've pre-prepped all this because I've got a lot of work to do and I just want to do this. Now, what I have, you can use anything you want, but reduce the liquid if you're not using dehydrated vegetables. Remember that, folks. Okay, so what I have here is, I have some dehydrated green and yellow beans. I'm just gonna put a handful in the bottom of my crock. Why? Because it's going to need the most liquid to rehydrate. Now I'm going to do a light layer of dehydrated onion. I think I might want some more green beans in here too. Okay, now, normally I wouldn't add beef broth because fresh vegetables give off a lot of liquid. But because I'm using dehydrated vegetables as well as fresh, I'm going to add some liquid for them to soak up. So we have our onions and our green beans. Now I have fresh onion and potatoes. You do it in quantities that suit your family. In this case, Papa will probably take extra home for lunch. I have 4 pork chops and they are only fried on one side. Why? Because this is the side that we want to keep browned, but we don't want to overcook them so that they come out dry. So we just sear them on one side. And here I have a can of organic mushroom soup. You can get it at Costco. To me, it's worth it. They're getting more and more organic products in. We're going to put our mushroom soup, inside a pint jar, if it'll go in. Whoa! That little bit can stay in there. Now I'm going to take my organic beef broth, also bought at Costco. And no, folks, Costco isn't paying me. I just really love the fact that we're getting more organic choices. And we're going to top our pint jar up with the beef broth. Now the added liquid, if you were just doing this without dehydrated vegetables, folks, just put the mushroom soup over top of the potatoes and vegetables and let her rip. But I have dehydrated vegetables in here, therefore we need liquid. Looks horrible, doesn't it? But you wait. Now we're just going to drop our seared on one side pork chops along with their little bit of juice. And I'm going to lock this puppy down and put it on the counter. It is now 1 in the afternoon. This is going on low. Okay, no, high. For 4 hours, then I'm going to turn it down to low until Daddy gets home. And we'll see you guys when this is done. And there it is, fresh from the crock pot. How was work today?
Extremely long. It's good.
Awesome, thank you. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, another crock pot meal. I'm loving my one-pot wonders. Take care, God bless.